7 powerful mental hacks that can make you a millionaire in the stock markets. Stock markets is a big opportunity right now in India to make you a millionaire. And I've seen several people who play the stock markets follow different strategies, systems, procedures, and they fail miserably because they don't have the right mindset. It is mentioned that success is 90% mindset and only 10% strategy. And it's all the more important in the stock markets if you really want to win. Let's understand these 7 mental hacks so that you don't miss on this opportunity to make your millions in the stock markets. Let's begin. The first one. Money loves speed. Wealth loves time. Poverty loves indecision. If you really want to multiply your money in the stock markets, you got to be a quick decision maker. When an opportunity comes, you got to grab it. For example, in 2016, when demonetization happened, those people who invested in digital payment companies really flourished. However, to multiply your money in the bank, you got to really have a long-term perspective. Classic example of Warren Buffett's investment in Coke, which has multiplied leaps and bounds. Similar example in India is Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's investment in Titan, which has really multiplied his money in the bank. Number 2, fortunes are made by taking a lot of risk with a little bit of money. Simple example lete hain. In the startup space, think of startups like Flipkart. They started small, but they took huge risk, and that's what enabled them to grow. However, once you have grown to a particular level, you've got to be a moderate risk taker and diversify your portfolio. That's what's happening with Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Industries. They have diversified the portfolio. Number 3, markets take longer than you expect to adjust, but they always adjust. Simple example lete hain. In COVID-19 situation, markets tanked. Investors who panicked and they sold their investments were at a very big loss. However, those investors who had the patience to stay put in the market, they survived. They not only recovered their losses, but their portfolio has grown by leaps and bounds. See, markets will take some time to adjust, but they will always balance out. You got to stay put. Like Warren Buffett says his beautiful statement, the money in the stock market is not in the buy. The money in the stock market is not in the sell, but the money in the stock market is in the wait. Number 4, ignore money advice from poor people. Simple example lete hain. Why would you go to a health coach who is sick? If you really want to learn from someone, learn from the best. Let's say Warren Buffett, who has got phenomenal results throughout the career, or Ray Dalio, or our very own Radhakrishnan Damani. Learn from these experts, look at their mindset, what is their strategy, what is their emotional way of looking at things, and that's where you can emulate their qualities and you can really start to multiply your returns in the stock markets. Number 5, by spending your time to save money. You get rich by saving your time to earn money. Simple example lete. Don't waste hours how to save those few rupees. Don't be penny wise pound foolish. If you really want to multiply your returns and become a millionaire, you got to really say, how can I save my time and multiply that time to earn the millions? Simple example lete. Let's say if you want to invest in mutual funds, that's the easiest way to multiply your money rather than wasting your time and selecting some cheap stock options. For example, investing in stock markets will give you much more higher returns at a very short amount of time spent rather than wasting hours in selecting that cheap stock option. Number 6, very important. When in FOMO, go slow. FOMO is fear of missing out. I'll give you a simple example. In the Bitcoin rage of 2017, many people were madly in rush to invest in Bitcoins without understanding, and that made huge losses for them. So whenever there is some fear of missing out, take a pause, take a step back, take an informed decision, and that's where you start to really avoid losses. Number 7, losers make outcome the goal, winners make action the goal. You are not going to become a millionaire overnight, but that small steps every single day will ensure that you're going to achieve your financial freedom. A classic example is of Uday Kotak, who has built this entire empire of Kotak Finance by taking small steps every single day, and that's what winners do. Losers only focus on outcomes, whereas winners take massive consistent actions, and that's the shortest, the fastest, and the best way to achieve your financial freedom. These 7 powerful mental hacks can really start to multiply your portfolio in the stock markets. Follow these 7 mental hacks. Comment in the comment box which is your favorite hack which you're going to follow, and share this video with someone whom you care about. Don't forget to like this particular video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get ready to think and grow rich. Thank you so much.